Massively multiplayer game worlds can provide insights across disciplines. Sociologists can study how people form groups. Economists can finally see if their models work. And in 2005, World of Warcraft became a legitimate subject of study for epidemiologists. When players attacked Hakar, he cast a spell called Corrupted Blood, which would drain the player's hit points. The spell was intended to be contagious, but it was only supposed to spread in that part of the game. Well, it turns out, Corrupted Blood was kind of like a real-world pathogen. It got out of the intended area and spread through the entire game world. This is where science got interested. The journal Epidemiology compared corrupted blood to real-life SARS and avian influenza outbreaks. Terrorism experts also studied the event. They looked at the decision by some gamers to intentionally infect other players, and this provided some insight into how terrorist cells form in the real world. Academic studies also seem to validate time spent gaming. Studies from China and Australia indicate that expert-level video game players have a measurable increase in cognitive functions, perception, and motor control. These players were found to have increased gray matter and increased connectivity in their brains. A hospital in Florida studied their surgeons who play video games before performing surgery and found that surgeons who played video games for more than 3 hours in a week made 37% fewer errors and were 27% faster during surgery over those surgeons who did not. Gaming also has cool applications in medicine. An Oxford University study indicated that playing Tetris can reduce the after effects of psychological trauma and might offer relief of PTSD symptoms. There's this virtual reality game called Snow World. It's played on the Oculus Rift and it's used for pain management. Burn victims report less pain during bandage removal and reapplication while playing this game. Another example is the online game Folded. In this game, thousands of players help doctors and computers fold proteins and other structures to support drug research. In 2011, players helped scientists solve a decade-old problem in under 10 days. That's the power of games. So what we're saying here is that games can be a positive force in the world. So press start, or set up the board, or tee up the ball, or whatever. Let's play. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Crash Course Games is filmed in the Chad and Stacy Emickholt studio in Indianapolis, Indiana, and is made with the help of all these nice people.